If the Albert Genius trial isn't activating, the issue is usually related to account eligibility, payment verification, or an incomplete sign-up instead of a problem with the app itself. By the end of this, you'll know how to check your eligibility, complete the activation correctly, and figure out when it's time to contact support. Start by confirming that the trial is actually available on your account. Promotional trials can vary by account, region, or sign-up period, so not every user will see the same offer. Next, make sure you've completed every required step during the enrollment process. Stopping before the final confirmation screen can leave the trial inactive, even though it looks like you started the sign-up. Check that your payment method is valid and up to date. If the card or linked bank account can't be verified, the trial may not activate successfully. Review your subscription status inside the Albert app. If Genius already appears as active, the issue may be with a specific feature rather than the trial itself. In that case, sign out of the app, sign back in, and check again. Keep the Albert app updated through your device's app store. Using the latest version helps prevent activation issues caused by outdated software. If you've previously used a Genius trial with the same account, you may not qualify for another promotional trial. Review the details shown during enrollment to confirm whether your account is eligible. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable while activating the trial. Interruptions during the setup process can prevent the request from completing successfully. If you receive an error message, don't ignore it. Take a screenshot before closing the screen. The exact wording of the message can help identify whether the problem is related to billing, eligibility, or account verification. Avoid repeatedly attempting to activate the trial within a short period. Complete one attempt, verify your account information, and then try again if necessary. If the activation still doesn't work, contact Albert support through the official support options in the app. Include your account email, your device type, and the exact error message or screenshot if you have one. Providing those details gives the support team a better starting point for resolving the issue. To sum it up, verify that your account is eligible, complete the enrollment process without interruption, confirm your payment information, and save any error messages before contacting support. Next, open your Albert subscription settings and confirm whether the Genius trial is available or already active on your account. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Albert app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and financial app tips.